equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery and plate compatible with the Conga 999. Start by turning off the device and unplugging it from the power source to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 999. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the soft cloth. This will help maintain the device's performance. Now, locate the battery. It is usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver and carefully disconnect the battery from its connector. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector, ensuring it is secure. Replace the screws to hold the battery in place. Next, we will change the plate. Locate the screws that secure the plate to the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and gently lift the old plate off. Before installing the new plate, ensure that the area is clean and free from any obstructions. Place the new plate onto the device, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the device. Once the plate is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press it down gently until you hear a click, indicating it is locked in place. Replace the screws on the back panel to secure it. Finally, plug the device back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. This process should take about 30 minutes, and with the right tools and patience, you can successfully change the plate and battery on your Conga 999. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.